Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm here in our kitchen where it's getting to be that time of year. It is almost Halloween, which means my daughters are coming from New York to compete with me in this year's 20th annual pumpkin carving contest, and I have new toys to defeat them this year. So these were provided to us to do this review, but I have absolutely no instructions. So if I think I'm gonna lose this contest, I'm gonna tell you they suck and give you 1 on the Doug score, and if I think I'm gonna win, I'm gonna give you a 5 on the Doug score and tell you I think these things are awesome. So let's take a look at them, see what they are. Okay. So I've already cheated and I've looked at this. It is a little too early for me to have an actual pumpkin to carve, but I'm telling you I have 50 years of carving competition knowledge, and I could talk to you in great detail about these things. So let's talk about the side things first, and then I'm going to talk about the crazy innovation, which I can't believe I never thought of myself before. So number 1, first thing you got to do is you got to empty out your pumpkin, and this is a really nice solid spoon with these cool serrations on the side for getting all the goop out of it. I really honestly, I can't tell you how many of these big giant spoons that I've taken out of Nikki's kitchen drawer that I've bent and ruined. I think this is great. This is a little poker thing, so you can like poke out designs, and then once you poke out the design, has this cutter which has both a fast side and a accurate side, which is great, also good. But here is the pièce de resistance. No, I'm not French. But check these out. This is a shape for making an eye. Here's another shape for an eye. But, so here's the key thing. I cannot believe I never thought of this. Nikki will tell you, I have gone into my garage and come out with power tools, sawzalls, every kind of tool you could possibly imagine has come out to compete with my daughters, and never did I think of getting a cool design like this and a little mallet. So you just go like that, bang it in, and you're gonna get a perfect shape without cutting anything, without having to use the sawzall, without having to use the Dremel, without having to spray cut up pumpkin anywhere. This is ridiculously amazing. This is absolutely a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Could be a 6. I may come back and give it a 6 out of 5 if I beat my daughters this year. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.